People love Sous Vide. Cooking with Sous Vide, you can always have perfect doneness because it gives you precise and consistent temperature control during the process. Meanwhile, it locks the juice within the food, which brings you awesome taste and tender texture. It is a standardized process that allows everybody to make top chef level foods. However, there are still some pain points. It is complex as people must go over multiple steps and use multiple devices or utensils. For example, you need to vacuum seal the food with a vacuum sealer, put it in a water bath, cook it with the sous vide cooker, and then move it to a skillet to sear it. Traditional sous vide cooking is precise in controlling the water temperature, but when it comes to the food temperature, it's kind of a guess with experience, but not exactly accurate unless one checks the food temperature with an external probe, which is then quite complicated. And sous vide uses a lot of plastic bags and water. To bring people a better sous vide experience, to bring people a new way of sous vide, we created Neovide, a new form of sous vide cooker. Unlike any other sous vide machines, Neovide can perform marinating, sous vide, and even searing within its body and uses no water. How does it work? Neovide has a built-in chamber. It can create a vacuum space that allows you to marinate and sous vide your food without vacuum bags or water. What's more, you can also sear your steak directly in the chamber without moving it to a skillet. It is a truly one-stop sous vide cooker. More importantly, it makes the temperature control more precise and direct, which means you can have better results. A traditional sous vide cooker manages food temperature indirectly because it reads and controls the temperature of the water that immerses the food. But numerous experiments have proved that the water temperature is different from the food temperature in most cases. That's why many professional chefs have to take the food temperature with an external food probe. Thanks to the innovative waterless design, Neovide allows you to read the food temperature in real time with a built-in probe. It offers you direct temperature control on the food instead of the water in traditional sous vide. When the food temperature reaches the set target, the sous vide process will automatically stop. You don't have to guess or wait for extra time just to make sure the food is cooked. What's more, the food is juicier than it is cooked with a traditional sous vide machine. Of course, you can extend the process to your liking tenderness after the food has reached the target temperature. How does Neovide heat up the food? There is an electromagnetic heater under the chamber. The heater heats up the chamber, and the chamber transfers the energy to the food through direct contact and thermal radiation. We built an algorithm to control the temperature within the chamber, ensuring that your food will not be undercooked or overcooked. This is a fundamental change in the principle of temperature control in sous vide. It simply makes the temperature control more precise. There are more benefits of this change. To sous vide with Neovide, you never need to vacuum seal the food in a pouch and put it in the water. It keeps your food in the perfect shape so that you can always have the best texture and visual enjoyments while having the same juicy flavor and tenderness. In addition, you can now easily sous vide liquids, which is difficult for traditional sous vide as it is tricky to vacuum seal liquids with bags. And you no longer need to keep a water bath for sous vide in the kitchen, and you can easily clean the machine as you clean a pan. We believe maintaining a sous vide cooker shouldn't be stressful for anybody, regardless if you are a professional chef or who cooks at home. Meanwhile, you can save your budget from buying less, and you can help save our planet for using fewer plastic bags, less water, and less energy. In conclusion, Neovide is a premium sous vide cooker that simplifies the high-tech cooking and makes it more accessible to everybody. It brings people a new way of sous vide. We believe Neovide is a better option for those who love sous vide.